Hi everyone, today we are discussing about loss of reflection. Before that, let's know the meaning of reflection. As we know, it's only because of light we are able to see this world around us. As we see in the picture, mountain and surrounding images fall on the water surface. So, bouncing back of light is called reflection. To explain reflection, we can use a ray diagram. As you can see, to get an image, the incident light have to get reflected. On the basis of this reflection, we can have two angles, incident angle and reflected angle, denoted by I and R respectively. Let's analyze the diagram. The angle made by incident ray with the perpendicular is called incident angle, denoted by I, and the angle made by reflected ray with the perpendicular is called reflected angle, that is denoted by R. And now the next thing we learning is loss of reflection. So the first law of reflection states that angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. As you can see in this ray diagram, in the plane mirror, always angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Hence, we get same image as object in the mirror. The next law deals about the position of rays. As you can see, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal all contains in the same plane. So the second law of reflection states that incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. Okay, let's conclude this video. Bouncing back of light is called reflection. First law states that angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Second law states that incidence ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.